Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from Gramma in a Box, which is a super fun little treat subscription box. This month the theme is Valentine treats. Also says she's working on the March St. Patrick's Day theme for next month, and if you're not already subscribed, the deadline is March 3rd for that box because they ship the first week of every month. So on the back of that just has the contents of the box, everything inside. Our first project is Valentine candy cane hearts. That looks cute. And then all the ingredients. Second one is crispy caramel bites. And then the third is always cookies. So let's see what designs we have. I'm sure we got hearts, and let's see what else. So here's our melting chocolate. You use half of it for the first recipe, the rest for the second half. 3 different icings, red, pink, and white. Oh, I do that every time. I go to grab it and I always pop the lid off. There's some little Cocoa Krispies. Bigger hearts, little hearts, and then on the back, reminds me of like a, I don't even know, kind of like a name tag or like bottle label. They have fancy ones that look like that. I don't know if that's actually called something. Then we have candy canes. A couple sticks there for those. Red sprinkles. These are cute. They are red, white, and pink, and there's little heart-shaped sprinkles in there. Conversation hearts. These are delicious. Love those candies. Adorable little heart mini cups. Caramel. Ooh, those are neat. And then the rest of our sprinkles, and then they give you some parchment paper to lay your projects on to dry. So I'm going to go ahead and insert the footage of us making our treats. So for the first project, I laid out the popsicle sticks and the candy canes to form a heart. And then you take some of the chocolate that is melted in just a small amount and fill in that little heart-shaped space. You don't want to use too much of the chocolate because half of it you are using for the next recipe. But you just want to make sure that everything is touching. That way when it hardens, you can just pick it all up. So of course you could add whatever sprinkles you want to that before it sets up. And that's all there is for that project. So you got 3 of those. And then with the leftover chocolate, I'm going to take the Rice Krispie treats and add it to the bowl. Give it a good mix so that everything's coated. And then there's 6 little paper cups that you can put a very small little amount of the Krispies in there. And then you can also put some of the caramel on top and then decorate it with sprinkles as well. Jackson is picky and didn't want to try the caramel, but it was really soft and chewy and it was really good. So I ended up eating the rest of those to myself. And then of course you have the cookies that you can decorate. So I just did one. I don't like much icing on my cookies, so I just kind of outlined it and I wrote love in the middle and just kind of left it as that. And then I divide the cookies between the kids, let them kind of decorate. They like to, Jackson at least, likes to put a bunch of icing on it and then hurry up and eat it. So I didn't even get really any pictures for you guys to see. Raylan kind of smears it around, licks the icing off. I give her a color and just let her go with it. But here's the finished pops once they've dried, and then our little crispy bites that we added sprinkles to. Super fun, and the kids always enjoy it, so make sure you check out Gramma in a Box. I will have all the information below. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.